Good morning, everyone. I want to presentation about how to ask and understand the diagram of the ship hull ballast pumping system with their control system. We from Group 6, and my name is Siti Nur Aini with my partner Roni Arya Saputra, Rois Saifur. Next, I'm share screen presentation. Ship hull diagram is the watertight internal structure of the ship that provides buoys and shapes. When reading the ship hull diagram, consider the following case are the structure element, K, the, the bottommost structural component of the hull running along the ship election. Next, primer provide the ship and support from the hull. Bulkhead watertight walls that divided the ship into compartments. Then tanks, typical location within the double bottom or side of the hull. Understanding hull layout. Look the section of the hull cross a section view that highlight internal component, which might include cargo hold, ballast tank, void space. Then diagram might include notation for specific tank or species, such as fuel tank or ballast tank. Here, step-by-step guides on how to ask and interpret a ship hull diagram. Number one, familiarize with the diagram. Viewpoint shape. Hull the diagram can be represented in various views, and understanding this perspective is key to interpreting them. Profile view, side view, show the interchange leg of the shapes, typical divide by section such as framers, compartment, and bulkhead. It highlights text, compartment, tank, and machinery pages. Plan view, top view, how the layout of the ship from above, typically focusing on different text, cargo space, and co- compartment. Cross-section view, cut the ship a specific point. Choose show how the internal component, tank and structural component like the double bottom, bulkhead, and framers are average. Next, understanding the ballast system diagram. Purpose of the ballast tank. Explain the primary function of the ballast tank is maintaining a steep stability and draft. Discuss how ballast water is pumped into and out the test tank to adjust the ship with gauge distribution and private capacity. Component of a ballast system. Description the various components involved in the ballast system, including ballast tank, paper, valve, pump, and sensor. How ballast is used during loading, unloading, and voyage. Discuss the different scenarios where ballast is used, such as during loading and unloading of a cargo, maintaining stability and aroused phase and adjusting draft for navigation south slow water. Key components in the ballast system diagram include number 1, ballast tank. These are shown with detail about capacity and location. Pipeline. The diagram illustrates the pipeline connection the ballast tank to the pump and sea chest. Pump. Ballast pump are shown with their capacity and their connection to tanks. Ballast pump are critical for transferring water between the sea and the tank. Valve. This control the flow of ballast water. The diagram shows manual or automated valves that open or close to different water to specific tank. Air vent and overflow. This shows how air is vented out when tanks are being filled and how water overflow is tanks are overflowed.
Understanding the pumping system diagram. Types of pumps used of ship introduce the different types of pumps commonly used on ships, such as centrifugal pumps, piston pump, and rotary pumps. Summary of pumping system function. Ballast system 1, ballast for stability and balance adjustment. 2, bills for removing unused water from the hull. 3, fire for fire suppression and emergency response. 4, fuel oil transfer for fuel management and distribution. 5, lubrication oil for lubrication and cooling machinery. 6, fresh water for potable water and machinery needs. 7, ballast water treatment for environmental compliance in ballast water discharge. 7, seawater cooling for cooling engines and other equipment. 6, cargo for loading and unloading liquid cargo on tanker. 9, sanitary for managing wastewater and sewage. 10, hydraulic for powering deck machinery and control system. 11, air compressor for supplying compressors air for various system. 12, deck basing for cleaning and maintenance the deck. Pumping system component. Pump convert mechanical energy into fluid movement. Motor prime mover power the pump. Piping transport fluid within the system. Valve control fluid flow and pressure. Strainer and filters protect the pump from contaminants. Pressure gauge monitor pressure level. Flow meter measure fluid flow control panel, manage and monitor system operation. Expansion joints absorb thermal expansion in pipes. Suction discharge manifold direct fluid between seal and gasket, prevent leaks. Priming system remove air from the pump. Cooling system prevent pump overheating. Back pressure valve maintains system pressure. Accumulator stores and release pressure fluid in hydraulic system. Bypass lines allow flow around system component for maintenance. Emergency system ensure pump operation during power loss.
Understand the control system diagram. Point 1. Overview of ship control system provides a general overview of the various control system found on ships. Includes engine control, steering control, alarm system, and safety system. Point 2. Component of control system. Discuss the key components of a control system, such as sensor, actuator, control, and the control diagram. The control system for the ballast and pumping system is crucial for operating them efficiently and safely. Here's how the reads this diagram.
Suaranya tolong dinyalakan dulu.
Panel layout the control diagram may reference the control panel location in the engine control room or ballast control room. Indicator for each tank show the current water level via sensors. Valve and automation. Point 1, remote valve control. The control panel show buttons of switch to open, close valve remotely. These are linked to indicators in the control room that show whether a valve is open, close, or closed. Point 2, flow pressure sensor. The sensor monitor flow rates and pressure in the system. High or low reading my trigger alarm. Safety interlocks. Point 1, this control system diagram often includes safety interlocks to prevent incorrect operation, preventing a valve from opening if a pump is not running. Automation and monitoring. Point 1, PLC-based system. Many modern ballast and pump systems use programmable logic control to automate process. Fill or empty ballast tanks according to a set program. Point 2, the diagram will typically show alarm system, automate control, and how various component, pump, valve, air intercondition connected to a central monitoring system.
That's the presentation for our group. For further information, click the link view in below. Thank you so much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum.
Par. Pas ya, metu. Ben nyimpen.